life in the school.
Life in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real blow. Tell me, life in the school.
Life in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Life in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life.
Babao.
Hey, Aboki. Yadi.
Babao. Baba,
You won't come out small. Every day they come out, they come out. Where they go?
Babao.
Huh? Have you know the usual thing?
Babao.
Ah? This red again? Nah.
Tomorrow we'll bring you the usual one.
Okay, if you talk so.
Babao.
Make you not keep long, oh.
Babao.
Life in the school.
Life in the school.
It's okay. Oh, you guys go meet and catch me. Why you cough like the kiddies? Huh? Make you just relax, that's all.
Charlie, the thing no be easy, oh. The stuff thick. I don't see anything, oh, walai. Oh, I dey see the smoke. Charlie, that's all. Where you dey? Where I dey? Charlie, make my eyes dey just dey go round.
Wasia, see why they talk.
Charlie, what's up?
Charlie, I make hot swag. I still don't get the money, so I go everywhere. I don't get them.
Me, I'm not sure say I go get them all. I don't know, Seth.
Charlie, life hard, wow.
See, you what you know about life? Small girl like you start to give theories about life already.
But Charlie, some teachers them a head show. I go ask say Archimedes. You know what to talk me?
Ah, what you talking? Go do sake of this pay.
But you the crazy or what?
Me where are the crazy? Well, when they sack you, then you go know the one who the crazy. But you they shock me, oh. You get this opportunity where you dey here. Say for one day, you dey here they think. Me, I dey go see him. Then talk come say, if you know they like, me I they like. I go make it tell my man self. You know, make it give me money chop. But you, the boys know they me and you. It be the same thing now.
Charlie, you know be easy. What you guys put for the thing inside? I just smoke this and I feel like I just suck my mommy in breast. the thing tastes like cream and so Bolo at the same time.
Hey, you guys make fun. Eh? That be how you fulfill. I put a thing and I started seeing models for my head. Then it did like a day jacuzzi inside. Before high, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's all.
Charlie, I don't see anything now.
Hey, I beg, make no come back for me. See, no go to do yours inside. Go find some VC10 sock. Go clear everything for an eye too.
Why? you guys won't kill me. We plus accommodation.
You know, no. See, if they smoke, they confuse your mind. Then the appet go clear your eye down.
Say you go talk. My friend, your future this so. You there. You no pay, the AD no go allow you write the exams. Even though I know say me and you, we go blast. Wait, if you no write the exams too, you no go register.
But you, what did they talk to be true?
Stay there and take play. If you know say you no go to, make I know, and I go see him. I didn't hear myself pass you.
Okay, I go see him then. Make you pick the move.
Me, I talk you. If you no go pay, make I know. Then I go see him.
I say I go. Why you be sport girl so?
Well, call me any name you dey like, huh?
Charlie, so what's up?
Charlie, I make bad pass you. I won't make her go see the Casino boys.
Charlie, me cry. They go the block inside. No where to go. Okay. Make me.
You say these guys be kiddies. You always they forget, eh?
Charlie. Make you sure I'm the call we kiddies. We be growers. We can't they smoke this thing, you still they call we kiddies. Come out.
Okay. If you grow or you no grow, you go do the operation. Then you go see.
Yeah. That mean when you go know say me see money and then and they make one pass.
Who they like money? Money pass me. We go the operation and the side. You go see. Charlie. Then maybe they go to break yours. Then maybe just they go.
Charlie, I feel hard. I think go sweet too.
To my school days, I be the kind of nigga I'm in Ethiopia case. Don't give a damn to me for now me share me lays. Now send me see class and Jehovah grace. Hey, let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go feed by breast F, no cash. I just the more laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Guys, with these exams coming up on Monday, if care is not taken, things can go bad for us.
Yeah, Charlie, it's true. Because if you fail this exam, say we aren't going to be registered for the final exam, so.
And then when the old boys go ball pass.
But you first, you don't have a problem. At least you're good in class. The problem is the rest of us. How are we going to escape this thing?
Charlie, be true. If I make out, other than that, you go blast.
So, Charlie, with my own crafty sense, I've come up with this idea. I've mapped out a strategy out of this thing.
What strategy is that?
It's okay, guys. I've already spoken to the school messenger.
Yeah. He's the one in charge of the printing and distributing to the various departments.
Hey, my friend, will you shut up and let me finish? What is wrong with you? No. Why didn't you come up with this idea if you knew it?
But why are you dissing me? I was just chipping in something.
Chipping in something. No, why is it chipping?
My friend, come up for that and continue.
Hey.
Figure say what?
First two. It's okay. Anyway, I don't have time for you today. Listen, as I spoke to him initially, he was afraid. But I mentioned to him we are going to reward him handsomely, so he became confused. And I also told him we will each give him 50 cedis each for him to deliver the elective and core courses.
Yeah. Okay. Then after that, what?
Terry, tell them. This your boy, he blasts too much. Oh, the what's Sakura?
It's okay. Do you understand? We'll just write some of the question papers down and give it to the clever ones in the class to help us. But you know Festus is good. He can also help us in solving some of them.
And the clever ones would know?
How? You are so dumb. You are so dumb. Do you think we are going to tell them this is the question, solve it for us? Of course not. We are just going to tell them to help us solve questions we are finding difficulties in solving it. And that settles it. Just that.
That's it, guys. Yeah. That's it, guys. Okay.
Oh there. No, you cried. No. So guys, you have to meet me at my bunk this night. So we can go meet the watchman and give him his money.
Sorry guys. Can't make it tonight. I made a movement with a chick.
You.
This guy.
A chick.
First two. Can I be serious, guy? You check that.
Let me take you back. 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 Let me take you back to the life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
I'm like no, it's
my life in the school. My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my
Aye. I tell you that.
Excuse you. Talk.
Trust me, man. This time she's an unblemished chick. No one touched her before.
Approve. My friend, stop bluffing. Waiting day for this could have been virgin. My friend, none of them. And waiting will allow you go your own way.
You did there, they challenge me. I'm talking about serious stuff. You did there.
Okay. Mention the name.
Oh. She said make her keep her secret. Eh?
See what I told you.
Who this guy you started to keep secret from us?
I told you he's bluffing, you guys.
Since when?
What? You did it.
Okay. Mention the name. You mention the name.
Okay. The girl is Venice.
Hey.
Who?
Hey.
You.
Okay, Uncle boy. No, do you think we are kids or what? Those kind of girls are simply untouchable. So why?
You am right that you see and punish me to Telly punish me to
It's not Telly, it's Terry.
Telly.
Say Terry.
Say Telly.
Terry.
Oh, you I'm like that I'm pray, I'm beating.
You're such a dump.
You're a dump. I'm love you.
Love
you. That day I sleep. I'm dreaming. Me, you, the flowers. Kiss me. When I wake up, my mouth jump. Oh yeah.
So?
Marry me.
Marry you.
You. But that's your English.
What's wrong my English?
So you don't want bet on him or what?
Maybe.
Man, the girl is pushed to the wall. I was there the other day when someone came to call me that I have a visitor. When I went, it was her. And she put this issue before me.
Okay. And what does she need the money for?
She said she needed the money to settle her school fees arrears. And I told her I can only give her if she gets down with me.
That's my boy. That's my boy. Festo. Hey, Charlie, you'll be serious guy. You'll be serious guy. You know what's up. For real. This somebody get that. They come to it and they fresh them about this. Say, you see, say my guy get that.
Yeah,
Charlie, go do and give back.
Go do what? So you believe this guy?
You give up.
I believe.
Give your back. I support you fully.
Listen, as for me, I will not believe this guy until I get evidence.
Believe it or not, You can come and watch me if you want. You see for yourself.
You also see.
That's
not boy first.
Charlie, kiss me.
Why did they kiss you?
I'm rough you. Mali me. See, that Kumseji, it's not a good boy. Kumseji is not a good boy.
Who is Kumseji? I think he's referring to Kosiji. Oh, Kosiji.
Kumseji. See, he's not a good boy. Me, I marry you, I'm taking go village.
Village?
Like,
seriously?
Yes, I'm taking go my village. I'm give you everything. Everything you want, I'm give you. Marry me, okay? I'm love you.
Let's go. This guy is just a joker.
It's a villager. Villager girl. A villager boy.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Hey! Siano! Police boy, come and kneel down! Come and kneel down! Just say you brown boy. Come and kneel down! Hey! You, Charlie Farrell. This is your boy. It be brown pass.
Make you no mind him. People always dey complain about him. Idiot.
If you can say the brown boy, so brown, the brown seniors, See ya boy. Kneel down.
Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Senior man.
For stage.
Senior man, what happened?
No man.
Everything cool.
Oh, cool.
You sure?
Cool.
Senior man, you know something? I won't go outside, go check 1, 2, 1, 2 come right now.
Okay.
But I be you know Benis.
Yeah.
The Sue girl.
Yeah, I know her.
She will come pass right now,
Okay.
I won't make she take something for outside give me.
Okay.
But you for the meantime, make you take this one by pure water.
Stage.
Some small one. If she come and make you alarm.
Stage.
Yeah, see that one. I'll come right now.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Where my movement day?
Yeah, I blink it, but
what?
I saw you know.
Huh?
I didn't saw you.
See, you're our boy. You want brown me? Go pay your troubles inside. Can't go pay your troubles, make us see. Hurry up! Open up! Hey! You two, you get provi for them?
I don't have.
You two, you want me brown like this boy, You want brown like this boy? Okay, I can. See, go take bow, give me. You get bow? Hurry up! Hey! Open and make us see. Provi parties. Pacho. They inside vet. You get calipo too. Why only be your father?
Senior priest, the calipo is not mine. And the other is not my father.
Come on for there. I know she say they saw calipo before.
Hey, me. I hasn't.
Come on for there. If you know be yours like it inside.
The senior priest has taken all my provisions.
Foolish boy. See yourself. Next time you go brown seniors again,
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Let me take you back to my school days. I be the kind of nigga I'm in Ethiopia case. Don't give a damn to me for now me share me lays. Now send me see class and nigga Jehovah grace. Hey, let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go feed by breast. No cash, I just the mode just to pass clear. Filling my paper used to be my biggest fear. No rest, sometimes I feel like I'm alone. My phone carbon, Gary so.
Next time go brown seniors again, eh? Hey, you two, what now you dey talk now?
Listen, I don't have provisions.
Hey, you gonna be brown boy, eh? Okay, why your troubles dey? Hey, this heavy troubles wey say nothing dey inside.
Senior, it's 12 books.
Okay, can't open them. Where your keys dey? Can't open them.
Senior, I've lost my keys.
Hey, so you want show me what's up, eh? You want show that one what's up? Okay, we go see. You go see. That's all. Piano. At that time, eh?
You want brown? Senior, that's all. The way is wicked now, eh? You wicked, Papa. Me, I'm going to report him to the headmistress. Huh? You going to report to? Senior, that's all. Right, you go leave this school. They will go punish you. It's not fair of punishment too.
I got 10 days. That's all. You go come, shop this thing.
Yeah, I know him very well. So I take my plan. My plan. What is that? Make me no fall. Is it this? The milk powder you take? Yeah. It's fake. The last one is inside. This one I take medicine puddings. When you finish taking this, it will shank. Next time you really think of coming here. Oh, but sorry, eh? Sorry, okay? Next time don't go there.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.